If you're planning to fix issues, start fresh, or pass your Aura frame to someone else, a factory reset is the fastest way to do it. In just 1 minute, here's exactly how to factory reset an Aura frame and what you need to know before choosing a method. A factory reset restores your Aura frame to its original out-of-box state, removing all photos, videos, contributors, and custom settings. Aura offers two reset methods, and the choice matters. The hardware reset uses the small reset hole on the back or bottom of the frame, usually near the power cable. Keep the frame plugged in, insert a paperclip into the reset hole, and press and hold for 10-15 seconds until the screen goes dark and displays a reset message. The frame will reboot with the default Aura image and show a Bluetooth pairing code. This method is safer if you may want photo recovery, because Aura customer care may be able to restore content using the frame's serial number. The software reset is done through the Aura Frames mobile app. Open the app, select your frame, go to Frame Settings, and choose Leave or Factory Reset Frame, then confirm. This method permanently deletes all content and contributors, and nothing can be recovered, making it the best option when selling, gifting, or disposing of the frame. Aura recommends contacting support before resetting if you're unsure, especially if photos matter.